In the last video we looked at how to pan static sounds in an ambisonics mix using the Facebook Spatializer plugin in Pro Tools Ultimate. This time we'll deal with moving sound sources. In this 360 video, sound sources are moving around the camera. All the dialogue and footstep sounds in the project have been added in post-production as mono tracks. In this section, a boy runs across the forest, so we'll need to automate the Spatializer plugin to make the sound match the picture. The simplest way to create the automation is to perform it in real time. First, I'll check that all the plugin parameters are enabled for automation. Then I'll put the track into latch mode. Next, I'll set my start position, and I can do this from the plugin window or from the global Facebook video display. So I'm just trying to track this with the mouse across the screen. So let's see how I did. Okay, so let's look at another way of working. Using this method, I can have the position glide smoothly between a series of keyframes. This takes a bit longer, but can be much more accurate. So again, I want to track some footsteps. And the first thing I'm going to do is select the whole range of these footsteps, set the starting point, and I'm going to write that position throughout the scene to anchor that. To do that, I'm going to use the automation write to all enabled function. So this is a way of writing automation as an edit command rather than using a real-time recording. So first I'm going to nudge forward in the timeline to find the position where the sound source starts to move. And I'm going to anchor that again with a breakpoint using the automation write to all enabled command. Next, I'll nudge forward some more, again using the frame and 5-frame nudge buttons. And move forward slightly and then update the position on the plugin window. And this time we're going to write another breakpoint, but we're going to use the automation glide to all enabled command, which will create a smooth transition between the two breakpoints. And then we repeat that process. We jog forward, update the position, write another breakpoint. Now, if we have a look at the automation, say the left-right position, then you'll see that we have this smooth transition between a number of breakpoints. And if I play that back, we should see a smooth pan move on the Spatializer plugin.